Today's video, I'm going to be replacing the whole steering setup just because all the ball joints are loose. So you can see all that play in there. So that's why we're going to be replacing everything. 18mm. You could use different ball joint tools, but since we're replacing it, we're just going to hammer it out. Here's your outer. Now we'll go ahead and mess with the inner. Inner tie rod for me is a 19mm. And here's your inner and outer tie rod. $18mm. $21mm. $18mm for the idler arm on this passenger side. They're 18mm bolts. One and 5/16 for the pitman arm. Got this pitman arm puller, 19mm for the bolt. Now with everything removed, now we can go ahead and swap out the tie rods. We're going to go ahead and try to get it as close as to the one that came off the truck. You just want to be in the ballpark because it's going to have to get in alignment anyways. And here's your new tie rod setup. I'm going to leave this loose so I can line up the joints when I put it in. For the pitman arm, it's keyed on the inside, 4 different slots. The torque I found online was 184. just one bolt up top on the idler so you can pivot it. This groove has to go forward. That's how the old one came out. We're going to install it on the pivot arm first, and then with the idler arm, I'm going to lift it up and set it into place. So I'm going to actually use the original one, because when I was installing everything, you see there's no room. And it's even worse when it's actually torqued down. It just rubs on the idler arm. And with the old one, you can see how much of a gap it has. So we're going to go ahead and use the old one. Now that we've got the pitman and the idler in, we can go ahead and torque down these mount bolts. 60 foot-pounds. 50 foot-pounds. 60 foot-pounds. 46 foot-pounds. 46 foot-pounds. 'And that's how you replace the steering linkages on these 1500s. Hope this video helped you. You have a good one.